on, and as you can see, the flame is on. It's running. We're gonna go upstairs now and check it. That's the old one, it looks like. I'm just documenting. Now let's go see if you got heat coming out of your vents. See, it was that. So we got the thermostat set to 80. Let's look at a vent. See what we got. What you got coming out of it?
It's heat coming out now.
Oh yeah, it's hot. So you're good.
Can we turn it down from 80?
Well, I just did that so it can get warmed up and let it run like that for a while. It's good. Get it moving.
Okay, cool.
Then turn it down.
Okay, cool.
To where you want. Let that run a half hour.
All right.
I just want to get its juices flowing. Yeah. No, I haven't done. I'm just getting ready to tear it apart now. I'm just documenting that this is broke. What else was broke on it?
I couldn't, you know, it was. I couldn't move it around and figure out what was hot and not. But I think it's because it was loose. But I couldn't. I had to like play around.
Oh, okay.
I don't have no.
All right, so basically feed this part in like that, and then we're gonna feed this in to the hole. Okay, and then it has a little lock here to go in. That, and then these two nuts are gonna hold it up. Just get them all under. Oh, all right. Okay, so this one, we'll thread through that way. All right. Basically just hand tighten it real good. Alright, that's that. Okay. Alright, and then the big nut. Put that through. Put that one through. That's going to go into the supply line. Okay. Okay, and then this will then feed through. Let's tighten him up with the start spinning him up. I have to get that lined up on the other side. Hold on a second. I can't quite get that to go up in there. Let's see. Should. Alright, so now let's test out the new. So it turns to the left for hot, pull up, nice and hot, sprayer, Nice and powerful. Looks good. Real good. Check for any leaks. Make sure everything's tight. That one's a little loose. Pretty good. A couple of these are kind of loose. This one's definitely was loose. Okay, let's get that tightened up. Don't want that problem later. Don't want to have to come back. Alright. Same over here. Yeah, they were all a little loose. Alright, so we're good on no leaks. Supply line's cool. Let's check on this side. Make sure it's all good. Looks good. Sweet. Cold water. Check that. Perfect. Alright, so we cleared the drain of all this hair before we start the process of putting the new stopper in. I'll make sure all that's clear first. Make sure there's no more any clogs or any problems with that. Okay, good to go now. It's not clogged anymore. Let's install this back in. Alright, so let's get this installed and see how that. I love it. Okay. Drain's good. Okay, then we push it down, it should hold. Okay. Holding. Release. Okay, there we go. Perfect.